have you move your feet to the beat. Did you see this? And she's back. Okay, honey, did you see this? Vibrating jade textured roller. Honey, get into this. This is, honey, they say it's real jade. All right, now it requires double A battery, not included. But honey, that's okay. You know, you saying it's real jade, Dollar Tree. Okay, honey. Now they only have one. They have another one. So this one is the vibrating jade roller as well, but this is the roller. This one is the jade texture. Now, let's see what it's supposed to do. Now, this is supposed to apply your favorite serum or moisturizer, lightly sweep the jade roller in an up and outward motion. Transition the roller across cheeks, forehead, and chin. Honey, $1.25. Dollar Tree. I don't know. You know, you gotta stop sleeping. Okay, you gotta stop sleeping on the Dollar Tree. Okay, because you're sleeping. The item that Dollar Tree has is the Spa Life, okay, revitalizing gold dust infused with vitamins plus minerals. Now, this is a lip mask. You know, I'm a gold girl, so when I seen this gold, I said, girl, 6 patches for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Honey, it gets even better. Check this out. For this Dollar Tree, I'm gonna need you to sit down. Like, honey, please just sit down, okay? I don't want you to be tripping and falling all over the place, Linda, okay? Just sit down, my love, because I'm gonna bring you the steal deals for real. And I'm confident. I know, okay? I bet you after today, you'll be going to Dollar Tree, especially if you haven't been to Dollar Tree. Check these items out. Another item that I was like, oh my goodness, this is called Skin Believe Beauty Exfoliating in Shower Face Mask, an exfoliating treatment for when you're tight on time, infused with apricot powder and white pony for all skin types, $1.25. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is this 3-in-1 skin treatment tube, cleanse and exfoliates, and it also applies masks with this bottom tube right here. Now, of course, this does take batteries, and this is $1.25 as well. When it comes to the facials, Dollar Tree is definitely coming through. Dual-ended mask too. Yes to your mask companion. Now this put the powder on, the facial mask on, and this also helps you take it off. This is $1.25. Now, if I had to choose one, I would definitely get these, the Real Jade vibrating jade texture rollers. Absolutely, hands down, the best of the best. Now, Dollar Tree also have this serum right here, 6 benefits: refine texture, even tone, firm, hydrate, smooth, and brightens. Okay, they also have the retinol renewing double serum, refines the same exact thing, skin tone and texture. These are all $1.25. Another item that Dollar Tree has is from the Global Beauty Care Fresh and Fruity Peach Refreshing Body Mist. They have the peach one. They also have the coconut sugar. These are $1.25. Honey, they doing it. Now, they also have the coconut body oil made with natural coconut oil, softens and hydrate dry skin. Honey, I was in Dollar Tree one day, a few months ago, and the lady just opened this and was using it. She said it was really good. Okay, I never tried this though. Okay, from Personal Care, $1.25. Another item that Dollar Tree has is the Pure Aloe Soothing Reviving Aloe Mist with aloe vera. Hydrates and refresh, moisturizes and soothes dry skin, face, and body from Smart Care. This is $1.25. They also have the wipes that goes with it. Okay, do not flush. You get dirty wipes for $1.25. Same exact concept, honey. Now, if you are looking for some lip care, Dollar Tree have the Plumping Glossy Lip Balm formulated with strawberry and grapeseed. This is $1.25. And then they also have the Plump one, which is $1.25 as well. This one is called Magenta Plump. And then, of course, they also have the watermelon. When it comes to the oils, I absolutely love getting the oils from Dollar Tree. They was carrying castor oil, but I don't. Oh, they do have it. Okay, all the way in the back. Black castor oil. Castor oil is good for your skin, your hair, your body. I never knew that. I just always thought that it was good for your hair, but also for your eyes too. Now, honey, do your own due diligence, okay? A lady named Barbara, I don't know Barbara's last name, but she used to be a nurse, and she's from Australia, okay? Her stuff is really, really good, like when she talk about health and stuff. Now, Dollar Tree also have the coconut oil as well, $1.25. The tea tree oil, $1.25. And get into these pigs. Aren't they fancy, pantsy, mancy, looking like Lancy? These are $1.25. Trust me to relax shampoo and clean shampoo brush, $1.25 as well. And honey, you guys know I have this volumizing comb, all right, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the hair oil multi-purpose smooth glossy finish. Now, I said, me personally, I wouldn't for my hair. I like natural stuff like the castor oil, jojoba oil, things like that in my hair. Now, this has a few other ingredients in there, honey. If it works for you, you got to do what works for you, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have the Curl and Shine Conditioner Personal Care Shea Solutions. This is compared to Shea Moisture. This is $3. They also have the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Smooth and well-defined curls. This is $3 as well. Now, if you missed all the fancy Lancy items, because we fancy over here, child. Now, these headbands, these are $1.25. Get into the gold. And these not one of those headbands, like when you touch the decoration right here, it be moving, honey. They got that secure tight. Now, it comes in 2 different colors. They have the black one. They also have the pink one. Fancy pantsy. Now, some other items that Dollar Tree has is these barrettes right here. These are $1.25. Really, really cool. They come in white and also black. Now, Dollar Tree also have these hair clips, these claw clips. When I tell you these are fancy, honey, this is cool in spring and summer, okay? They also have these claw clips right here. I absolutely love this, honey. You talk about a trillion when it comes to creativity. They also have the barber scissors and comb, honey. I was saying combo, but this is a combo. This is $1.25. When I seen that Dollar Tree was selling Liquid Death, okay, now I'm not gonna front, I did buy some Liquid Death, the water though, but Dollar Tree is selling a green tea, okay? Somebody said, that this is like a curse over there. Honey, you do what works for you, okay? Now, this is the Mango Chainsaw flavored sparkling water. This is $1.25. I had got mine from Whole Foods, okay, the water one. They also have the Liquid Death Berry It Alive, honey, like Berry Alive. These, wait, hold on, because I see 62 cents. Okay, honey, I know this is probably wrong. That's $1.25. I can almost be sure.